there's two things for today. First thing is getting as many local people in through the castle gates to come and have a look and reconnect with the castle, and it's to feed the imaginations, it's to talk, it's to chat, it's to come up with new ideas and new connections. And then the second thing is to make people aware of what is possible, what they really could get involved with, what they really could turn this into.
And we wanted to make it a seasonal fair. So today we've had pumpkin carving, which on the surface is about making jack-o'-lantern, but in actual fact it's about bringing grandparents, bringing mothers, bringing fathers together with the children to work to create something. And we've also got Hazel Thomas next to the pumpkin carving tent, where she's making seasonal soups, because it's also about linking with seasonal foods and healthy eating. We've got Pete Stacey and Rachel Hargreaves who are working on a big draw project today. So they're working with all sorts of different types of music, and children, their parents, their grandparents are in there and responding to the sounds to create a piece of artwork. So that's rather exciting. We've got Bongo Clive, as you can hear in the background, working with all the children creating music. It's just incredibly rewarding to see how many people have come along today and are taking part and just having a really fantastic time. I've been talking to people as they've been working on the pumpkin carving, as they've been wandering around the castle, and they said that they very rarely go to castles, in fact, and to come out to an event like this today, they're just really enjoying the space, they're enjoying the activities with a passion, really.
And look at Ocky Milkman's wife that nobody's ever seen. Keeps her in the cupboard with the empties.
And what I would love to see in 2012 is a culmination of people coming together, coming out of their houses, getting involved to connect with the enthusiasts, the passionate people within the community, to work within the community.
It's about passing on those family moments, creating magic moments.
This day's been awesome.
Today has been the best Halloween ever.